Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new CRW-001-1JR Casio ring watch. To honor 50 years in the watch business, Casio has released its first functional ring watch, which consists of brushed and polished stainless steel with a mineral glass crystal and 3 pushers. The dial features a gray brick wall pattern with black border and silver type. The band has 3 holes on both sides with the practical purpose of securing 2 different size adjusting spacers as seen here. According to my caliper, here are the measurements. After wearing this for over a week, I feel that the ring is comfortable and of good quality with an eye-catching appearance. I did not feel that it was too bulky or weighty and even received some compliments. This has the new 3573 module containing a 6-digit LCD display with a number of functions including these. There is also an indicator that lets one know which mode is displayed. I find the LED backlight to be quite bright for its size, making it easy for me to read the time in the dark. The time flash feature is listed as being for entertainment rather than practical purposes, since it does not beep and may be difficult to notice in the daytime. I found it to be more noticeable indoors and at night. Something I found interesting was that the backlight flickers when changing modes. Assuming one limits the use of the light in the time flash to once a day, the watch's SR621SW battery is estimated to last up to 2 years. According to Casio, this watch has an estimated accuracy of plus or minus 30 seconds a month and is listed as water resistant to rain. As far as slots go, I find this ring to be fun to wear and quite appealing with its bold flashy appearance, new module, and stainless steel construction. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.